Hi, today I'll show you how to add Google account on your Google Chromecast. Let's go to the settings, then accounts and sign in, add another account, so now we need to input our email. Enter your password. And press next again. Now press accept. And as you can see, we just added new Google account. So that's all. Press like, subscribe to our channel, and see you next time.